What's the meaning of churchgoer? Churchgoer. Churchgoer.
Churchgoer. Churchgoer. A churchgoer is a person who regularly attends religious services or activities at a church. This term usually refers to those who are members of a Christian church, but it can also apply to followers of other religions. Churchgoers may attend services for various reasons, including seeking spiritual guidance, socializing with like-minded individuals, or simply to participate in traditional rituals and practices. These individuals play an important role in maintaining the vitality and continuity of religious institutions.